Hey guys, Alex from Food Inbox here, and I've been seeing this viral video of this chicken Caesar salad sandwich, and I love chicken Caesar salad, and I've never thought about making a sandwich with it, so I'm gonna make one today and see how it tastes. Let's give it a go.
So we just butterfly the chicken breast. Dip it into the egg wash and into the pachinko crumbs.
Alright, we'll try shallow frying. I'm trying to bring this oil to a nice little heat. Just gonna put this in. If it starts sizzling, then it's ready. It's almost ready to go. Let's begin the shallow fry. So what we want to do is get this to a nice golden brown on both sides. So we'll flip it a few more times. This is so juicy looking. Oh yeah. Alright, that's it guys. Just like that, we made ourselves a delicious chicken Caesar salad sandwich. Let's give it a go. That is good. That was damn good.